Have you ever wondered if there were some magical elixir out there in the world that could make your hair grow longer, thicker and more lusciously? The recipe I am going to be sharing with you in this video may not be magic, but it's basically the next best thing. Today I am going to share a best herbal hair oil for improved hair health in length, thickness and growth abundantly. It uses a lot of Ayurvedic herbs that are known to promote hair health and growth and also prevent hair loss. Before we go ahead with this effective herbal oil, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips. Ingredients: 2 onions. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and premature graying and promoting hair growth. Half cup of garlic. Raw garlic is high in vitamins B6 and C, manganese, and selenium, all of which promote healthy hair. Half cup of curry leaves. Curry leaves help strengthen hair follicles, regenerate dormant follicles and regrow new hair. 1 cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil can help improve hair and scalp health. 1 cup of mustard oil. Mustard is a natural hair conditioner and is known to promote hair growth. 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E helps to prevent hair loss, improve scalp circulation, balance oil production and gives a shiny hair. How to prepare this oil? First, take 2 medium-sized onions and peel it and then cut it into pieces. Now grind the onions in a blender without adding water. When onion is just crushed, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and grind it into a fine paste. Now add a half cup of garlic and half cup of curry leaves into the blender. And grind the mixture well. This ancient remedy is very helpful for hair growth. Now take a heavy bottom pan and add the mixture into it. Add 100 grams of mustard oil and 100 grams of coconut oil into the pan. Mix all the ingredients well. Put the vessel into the stove in a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then lower the flame and cook the mixture for 25 to 30 minutes. Cook until it becomes light brown. Then turn off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. Now take a bowl and strain the mixture into it using a cloth. Then add 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules into the oil. Mix the oil well and transfer it into a glass container. You can store this oil for 1 to 2 months. You can add essential oil if needed. Apply the oil to your hair and massage gently with your hands. Keep it for 2 to 3 hours or overnight and wash your hair with water. You will notice the result from the first week itself. Your hair will stop falling completely. Your hair will grow abundantly day and night. You will get soft, shiny, long and thick hair. Try this oil and send your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this video and consider subscribing for more hair care contents.